Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can detect if an image is from Pinterest, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to detect or scan a Pinterest image, it's actually so easy. So to do that, first, of course, you will need to open your Pinterest. And after opening your Pinterest, I want you to tap the search button. And once you're on the search section, I want you to tap the camera button right here. And then tap this to see your photos. And after that, you will now be able to see all the photos that are saved in your device, so just select the one that you want to scan. And after selecting the photo, the scanning process will now start, just wait for it to finish. And once the process is finished, you will now see the results right here. So if you saw the exact same photo right here in the result, then that means that the photo you've scanned is from Pinterest. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.